Welcome back, students. Today the next topic which we are going to do is add 2 more to the number. In the previous topic, in the previous class, we studied about the add 1 more to the number. Today we are going to study add 2 more to the number. So we'll do it in the same way. In that we have added 1 to every number, and in this we'll add 2 to every number. So add 2 more means add 2 in 2, so we'll get the sum 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Again here it is written 11, and I'll add in 11 2. What will get 11 plus 2 equals to 13. So you just need to add 2 digit to every number to get the sum after adding. Next is we need to add the numbers vertically. Here in this way we'll write verticals, and here in this way this is a vertical direction and this is the horizontal direction. So today we are going to study about adding numbers vertically. So उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? I have written one number, one statement, 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So इस फिगर में हमें इस स्टेटमेंट को पुट करना है. I have drawn the lines. आपको भी इसी तरह से लाइन्स ड्रॉ करनी है. सबसे पहले यहाँ से dotted ones lines draw करेंगे. Then draw 3 lines here. Here write 3. यहाँ पे 2. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे प्लस. यहाँ पे आएगा 3 plus 2 equals to 5 और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा equals to साइन. अब हमें क्या करना है कि एरो मार्क्स करने हैं यहाँ से, सो दैट जो हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं हम उसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकें. सो यहाँ से डॉटेड लाइन्स ड्रॉ कीजिए फ्रॉम 3 like this, then from plus to plus, then from 2 to 2, okay, and last from equals to equals to, like this. So let's take one more example. Here 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 5 is shown from this side. Let's take one more example. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. First of all, draw the lines like these. 1, 2 and 3. So after drawing these lines, write here 2, write here 2, and 2 plus 2, 4, write here equals to, write here plus sign. Now draw the lines, start from here, from 4. Now for first 2, then for plus, then for 2, and what is left with? We are left with equals to. So likewise you need to arrange the numbers in a vertical direction. Take any 1 digit numbers, or if you want to take, you can take 2 digit also, but it's preferable that you take only 1 digit number first. First revise 1 digit numbers, take any numbers and add it in the vertical direction. Thank you.